Hi, welcome back to the module Digital Advertising and Email Marketing 500. Today we'll be focusing on Unit 1.4, Introduction to Programmatic Advertising. Before we move on, let's have a quick recap on what we learned in the previous lesson. So we covered campaign objectives and funnel alignment. This recap slide brings together the idea that digital campaigns need clear objectives and a strong understanding of where the audience is in the marketing funnel. Some people are seeing a brand for the first time, which means the goal may be awareness and visibility. Others are already interested and need more information or interaction, which places them in the consideration stage. Some are ready to act, so the focus becomes conversion through sign-ups, inquiries or purchases. When campaign objectives are aligned to the correct funnel stage, the message becomes more relevant, the content becomes more effective, and the campaign is more likely to achieve meaningful results. Moving on to today's lecture. This slide introduces programmatic advertising, which is one of the most important developments in digital advertising because it automates the process of buying and placing ads. Rather than relying on manual negotiation and selection, programmatic systems use software data and algorithms to match adverts with audiences in real time. This makes ad buying faster, more scalable, and often more precise. This section is important because it shows how technology is transforming advertising practices and making audience target more data-driven, effective, and responsive. Moving on to the next slide. Programmatic advertising is the automated of buying and selling of digital advertising space using system and algorithm-based systems. Instead of manually selecting placements, advertisers use technology platforms that can bid for ad impressions in real time and serve ads to relevant users almost instantly. This process improves efficiently because it reduces manual work and allows campaigns to react quickly to audience data and available inventory. Programmatic advertising is valuable because it helps connect advertisers with the right audiences more quickly and on a larger scale, making it a major part of modern digital ad delivery. Moving on to the next slide. Programmatic advertising relies on several key components that work together to automate ad buying and selling. The demand-side platform, or DSP, is used by advertisers to buy ad space and set campaign rules, while the supply-side platform, or SSP, is used by publishers to make their inventory available for sale. The ad exchange acts as the marketplace where bids are placed and matched in real time, and the data management platform, or DMP, helps collect and organize audience data for better targeting. When these systems are integrated properly, they allow advertisers to make fast data-driven decisions and publishers to monetize digital space more efficiently. Moving on to the next slide. The programmatic process begins when an advertiser sets campaign goals, audience parameters, and buying preferences within a demand-side platform. When a user visits a website or app that has ad inventory available, a real-time bidding process takes place in milliseconds, where multiple advertisers may compete for that impression. The highest or most suitable bid wins, and the ad is delivered almost instantly to the user. At the same time, ad is collected about performance, audience behavior, and outcomes, which helps improve future targeting and bidding decisions. This makes programmatic advertising a continuous cycle of automation, delivery, measurement, and optimization. Moving on to the next slide. Programmatic advertising offers several major benefits, including speed, scale, precision, and flexibility. Because the process is automated, advertisers can purchase ad space much more efficiently than through traditional manual methods. Audience targeting becomes more precise because campaigns can use behavioral, demographic, and contextual data to reach specific users. Programmatic uses also allow real-time optimization, which means advertisers can adjust bids, placements, and strategies while the campaign is running. In addition, dynamic pricing and access to a wide range of digital inventory makes programmatic advertising a cost-effective and scalable option for many organizations. Moving on to the next slide, challenges and considerations. Although programmatic advertising offers many advantages, it comes with challenges that businesses must manage carefully. The system can be technically complex, which means users need specialized knowledge to set up, monitor, and optimize campaigns effectively. There are also concerns around ad fraud, brand safety, and transparency, especially when multiple platforms and intermediaries are involved in the process. Data privacy regulations must be considered because programmatic advertising often depends heavily on user data for targeting. For these reasons, successful programmatic campaigns require not only automation, but also strong oversight, ethical awareness, and continuous performance monitoring. This sums up Unit 1.4. For more information, you can drop me an email on yudisha@aift.co.za, and you can drop me on WhatsApp on 072-859-7137. Thank you.